How to create a TikTok Lite account. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. To create a TikTok Lite account, all you need to do is basically download the TikTok Lite application that is available in your Play Store, or if you have an iOS device, you can easily download from your App Store as well. Once it is installed, just tap open your TikTok Lite. Now to begin with, you will have to provide with some of the permission regarding your account details. Then tap on the Me icon that is in your bottom right corner. To create an account, you can just tap on Continue with Facebook or Continue with Google. Or if you want to do it more manually, you can press on Use phone number or email address. You will have to enter your mobile number, or if you want to use the email address, enter your email address and click on Next. After which, you will have to create a password along with the verification code that will be sent to your designated phone or your email address. Or for a more simpler way, you can just tap on Continue with Google and select a particular Google account. If you already have a TikTok account, you can use it in the TikTok Lite as well. Basically, just click on Log In, then you can enter your credential of your TikTok account, or you can just tap on Continue with Google and use the same TikTok account that you have. This sums up the tutorial. Hopefully this was helpful to you.